What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. Tech here, back for another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install ZiniTevi on your iOS device without jailbreaking it, without using any service. So here I'm just going to open ZiniTevi, and here I'm just showing you what ZiniTevi is all about. It's just a movie app. You can all download TV shows, movies on here on ZiniTevi. Everything is actually for free. You don't have to pay for anything. It's like we also update every movie and TV series. When you are watching all the movies and TV series on your iOS, will be updated on here. So the first thing you guys have to do, go to your browser, open up your browser and look for app.appvalley.vip. There it is. Here is ZiniTevi, but go up and search for app.appvalley.vip. And after you get to appvalley.vip, here is the search bar. I'm just going to get to appvalley.vip. You just have to scroll down to let me just delete app ZiniTevi right here, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's go back. Here is appvalley.vip, and I'm going to search for ZiniTevi. Oh, I made a mistake, sorry. ZiniTevi. You just search for ZiniTevi right there and it will come out. If you don't see it right here, we'll have to go back to the home screen of the web app of AppValley and start searching for it. So sorry, I'm just going to go back right here and I'm going to search for ZiniTevi. I'm not seeing it. Let me just go back to the home page, and okay, there it is. Just search for ZiniTevi on your iOS device, then you'll find it. Here is ZiniTevi on my iOS device, so I'm just going to click on Get, and there it is. Click also on Install, and it will start installing right away. This method is not revoke. You won't create any revorks using this method. So if you guys really see this video, go ahead and download it very fast, because it's probably going to be getting revoked very soon, because AppValley is going to be shut down very soon. I don't know, the developer decided to shut it down because people are not really trusting AppValley. People think that AppValley is actually getting people's information, credit card, and selling it to other developers. So he decided to give it up, because he actually used $5,500 just to pay for the certificate for all the app to be back on AppValley. So he decided that if people are not really trusting it, he's going to leave it down. So ZiniTevi just finished installing. I'm going to open it. You can click on OK or cancel, whatever you choose. So I'm just going to click on OK and click on OK again, whatever pop-up you see on the screen, and there it is, app ZiniTevi working on your device. So here is a short movie. I'm just going to select maybe one of the TV series here to show you that it's actually working. All you guys have to do is download this app in the description below, choose a movie that you actually want to watch, and start watching it right away. So this app is all for free. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.